Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we are continuing to add on to our bucket garden that we just started last time. I know if you're like me, you're looking for the simplest way to grow potatoes. I know some of you have seen this. I was scrolling through Pinterest and saw it, and I've seen a couple of other people on YouTube build a potato box, and that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to be very limited in our supplies, so I'm just going to be using a table saw and a miter saw, plus pickets. We're going to be using 6-foot pickets. So it's going to be a little bit different than what you may see on some other ones when people are using 2x6s. We're going to try to keep this build as cost effective as possible. The pickets were $1.38 at Lowe's, and we had a 2x4 that was just left over. So we're going to try to get all of this done for under 15 bucks. And since these pickets are 6 foot long, we're going to measure out 4 feet, and that's going to make one of the sides, leaving us 2 feet for the other sides. And your first 2 layers are cut. And like I said, we're going to make ours a little bit different. Ours is going to be a 4x2 instead of a 4x4 potato box. Basically just trying to use 6-foot picket because they were $1.38. And if I can do it 4x2, then I'm not wasting any wood or having any pickets left over. So that's what we're going with, 4x2 instead of 4x4. Next step in building our potato box is taking a 2x4 and we're going to split it in half. And that's going to allow us to make the post for the box. And now we're just going to take those split 2x4s that we just did, and we're going to cut them into the 4 posts for the potato box. Just going to take the full length because these are not true 8-foot boards. So we'll find whatever it is and cut them in half, and that'll be our 4 posts. And these boards measure 6 foot 6 inches, so 3 foot 3 inches is going to be our post. Now that we've got all the wood pieces cut, we're just going to assemble the box. Now keep in mind, this is not a permanent box. It is reusable, and you're going to have to make sure that you can screw the boards in and take them off, because at the end, that's how you get all your potatoes out. So we're not going to use any glue. We're going to pre-drill each hole just so we don't split the boards, and we're just going to connect and make a box. there you have your potato box base. And then the theory is you plant your potatoes, you bury them in your soil, and then as the leaves grow up, you add the next level, screw it on, fill that level up with soil covering the leaves, and it promotes the potato plants to keep growing. So let's go take it out to the garden. And you may remember from our last video, this is where we started our bucket garden. Again, we do not want to put this in a permanent spot until we know exactly where we want our permanent garden to be. So this potato box is movable. You can break it down, store it in the off season, and that's really what we liked about the concept of the potato box. Now, we have done potato bags before. We really like the ease of that. Just take black trash bags and fill up your potatoes. So we're going to use that same method where we layer the potatoes, but we're using the box this time. But really, there's nothing wrong with our trash bag potato garden. It works. We've used it before. Now, the soil that we're going to be using is the same exact soil we use to fill up our bucket garden. It's 1/3 perlite, 1/3 peat moss, and 1/3 vegetable organic mix. So we're going to use that in our potato box. And now we just cover them with soil. And there you go, you get the concept of the idea. It's just layers. So that's the first layer. We chitted the potatoes, put some that weren't chitted. We're just gonna see how it grows. But you know, at the end of the day, it's not gonna win a beauty contest, but it's all about function, especially this year when things aren't permanent. So we're gonna water this in real good. Once we start to see the green pop up, you know, a good ways, probably about 6 inches above, we'll put the next layer on, cover it with some dirt, and allow it to continue to grow. So we'll check back in with these, so follow along with our future videos, and we'll keep updating this as we go. And at the end, we'll do a big reveal with all the potatoes, and we'll see if it worked or not. And if it didn't work, then at least we'll go back and try it again, try a different method. And you know, that's with gardening. Some things are gonna work, some things aren't, but I'm pretty optimistic about this one. We're going to give it a try, so we'll update you in a future video with the results. And there you go, the start of our potato box along with our bucket garden. We appreciate you guys for tuning in today. We'll continue to update you on the progress throughout our future videos. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, come back to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.